The first fond memory was that it was the lenses which were getting delivered. There was this guy, consumer of lens card. He was going on his wedding, so he was getting dressed up and he was just getting into his car. He ordered a lens one day before. He didn't expect it will be delivered so fast. And the moment it was delivered to him, he was in awe and shock.
And that too with a drone.
That too with a drone.
Is there a size or a weight limit you go for?
96% of the last mile shipments are below 7 kilos.
Unless you're delivering a mattress or a sofa.
Even we deliver a mattress which was about 9.5 kg. It's for free though. So one single mattress, 9.5 kg we
roll
deliver.
mattress, no? Pura that.
Correct.
Tell me, how does it work? Like a delivery work, the steps. Somebody has to deliver from one place to the customer's location.
We receive all the shipments at our stations, at our hubs. Every hub has got a certain geography that this caters to this area and this zip codes. The drone takes off from there. It goes to the nearest pod which is available for that pin code and that area of where you're ordering from. It delivers there. Then there is a walker. We call them a Skye walker. His job is to basically take out the package from there and go to the doorstep and deliver you the package.
Has it ever happened that somebody has thrown a stone on the drone and then it fell? Has ever any of your drones got stolen? Has it ever happened that a bird hit happens or something like it happens in planes? Delivering through drones is costly. What are other categories you are doing deliveries right now?
We're largely doing e-commerce, anything and everything that comes in e-commerce.
And what you don't deliver?
What we don't deliver today is